to wake up. You know, I've enjoyed our time so much together that I'm going to keep a piece of you to remember. Well, looks like you're gonna need a good chiropractor. Harley, are you ready? Oh, you've got to be kidding me.
Aw, that puddin'.
Well, it's about time, Harley.
Bangs up, pow, boom, 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 boom. Pew, 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 pew. What? We're owned by Disney, it's fine.
Tell us how to reverse the poisoning of the city.
It's a split formula. I'm afraid you're going to need Harley for that.
Oh, that sounds like fun. I'll go get her.
No, you watch after the Joker, and I'll get Harley. You get distracted too easily. Deadpool!
What? I was paying attention. Huh?
Watch him. Don't let him out of your sight.
I don't get distracted. Fine, I'll be on babysitting duty. This fight is really close. I think I should vote. There's no way I'm gonna lose to you. Let's see. There. What? Huh? Oh, it's for everybody at home watching. Hi, everyone. How you doing? Hi.
I like if rope and double dutch. You know, shift gears and pop the clutch. 'Cause I'm a Harley girl.
Oh, shit.
Well. Looks like someone's luck's run out.
I make my own luck.
Jammed? Well, what are the chances?
This is awesome! Making it rain! Making it rain! Get it! Damn it! Crap, my team's losing! Gotta go save her! Talk later! Oh, Domino. No! Okay, pulse check, neck check, tummy check, boobs check. She's alive!
Oh no!
Your fault! I'm gonna slice you! Or take you out to lunch and whatever you prefer! I mean, I'd love to show you my giant... Chimichanga! Come back here!
You want something done right, you gotta do it yourself.
Hey, cutie! Time to die!
Wait! You wanna see a movie?
Yeah? What kind of movie?
A grindhouse movie.
Oh, sweet! I love those kind of movies! Cue grindhouse sequence!
Deadpool and Harley Quinn star in The Rapping Dead.
Time for some funkified sword play! Ha! Yeah! Little peekaboo! Thread the needle, whammy whammy, some mac and cheese, all this, baby, in bed. Oh yeah, works every time. Be gentle with me, baby.
Oh, I'll be gentle.
Delicate like a flower.
Just hold still.
Oh, double penetration on the first date? Kinky. Seriously.
Merry Christmas, you filthy animal. And a Happy New Year.
Whatever happened to Macaulay Culkin anyway?
Hey, Deadpool.
They're gorgeous. Some Clark Blue.
Really?
Talk loud. Choke on my chicken. Oh, you like that, don't you? Like that, don't you? Yeah, well, that takes care of her. Oh.
You ever dance with the devil in the pale moonlight?
Just some tango lessons here and there. Jeez, I hope you sterilize these. My tattoo guy uses the same needles. They're really shiny.
Yes? Are you feeling tipsy? It's cause you've been drugged, dead man.
You look funny.
You know, Deadpool, you look beat. How about a truce?
Oh, a truce.
Come on, is that all you got? The memories. Hey, buddy! Even Robin put up more of a fight! Come on, I'm just getting warmed up, old chap! I need you to focus here and find the rhythm! Well, this is the final act. But don't worry, you're in good hands with Uncle Joker.
Wait, I just rented you on Facebook.
This acid will disintegrate you at a molecular level.
Well, I disagree.
Hasta la vista, deadbeat.
Ow, 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 ow! You shot me? What'd you shoot me for?
Your big ass head got in the way.
Huh?
Plus, it was good covering. Let's go.
Real cute. She's a keeper, guys. Wait up!